Now when we apply or remove coupon code, it gets added to the shopping cart database. But we also need to display a discount if the coupon code is valid. For that we need to retrieve the coupon details, and we'll have to implement a coupon service to call the coupon API to get all the details. So easiest way, we can just copy the cart service, paste it one more time, change that to coupon service. We will copy that name, paste it here, and in there we only need one method. That method will be getCoupon. When we retrieve the coupon, the only thing that we need to pass is coupon code and token. Coupon code, and that is sufficient. Then let's implement this interface. We will add a new class here, call this coupon service. And this will implement iCoupon service. Let's implement the interface, and if we open up the other service, we want the HTTP client factory. So let me copy this from the cart service, paste it here, change the constructor name, and add the using statement. Along with the iCoupon service, this will also require the base service. Perfect. Then we need to implement a getAction method to retrieve the coupon. So if we go to cart service, let's copy one of the get right here, close that, and we'll paste it like this. The static details, we need the coupon API base. We have not created that. So let me go there, press F12, and we will create coupon API base. We need to know the URL for that as well, so let's configure that. We will open up the app settings.json file. Here we already have the coupon API. Let's configure that in startup class file. So copy and paste this for coupon API base, and we will copy the name coupon API to avoid any spelling mistake, and perfect. While we are here, let's also configure the service for coupon. So iCoupon service, coupon service, and we'll have to add a scoped reference. Perfect, so startup configuration looks good. Let me close everything. Here now we can access the coupon API base, and in there you can check the path again, but what we used is API coupon, and then we need to pass the coupon code. With this, everything looks good. For API request, we'll add the using statement. Great, so now we have service that will actually call the coupon and retrieve the details. What we can do is inside our cart controller, where we are loading the shopping cart for the user, here we will check if that coupon code is valid, then we will retrieve the discount and apply that to the order total. So let's do that in the next video.